This is part 3 of the court cards of the Minor Arcana, and we're looking right now at the King of Coins. This is also King of Pentacles. This is the Morgan-Greer deck, and this is this is a business card. Coins usually mean business. Now you look at this this guy. He's got fruit. He's got money. He's got food, and he's got plenty to share, and he will share, but he wants his pound of salt. And this guy has earned every cent that he has. He also has like a purplish horn, so he's used his mind to manifest what it is that he wants. This is like almost the epitome of Capricorn energy. Although some would argue that the devil in the major arcana in some decks would represent the epitome of Capricorn energy. But this is a very earth energy, very grounded, a person who is a manifester. And he's got the laurel wreath of victory here around his crown. So he's victorious, successful, and really stays on track and has his feet on the ground. All right, let's move on to the Queen of Pentacles. Now look, this is someone who's been through some things in her life, because you can look at the back here and see how the landscape in the background is barren. She's intelligent and cultured. She may be participating in the arts and civic affairs. She's wealthy, emotionally stable. She has had a barren past, but she's fruitful now. Now look at her crowny, her thorny crown here. She can be very nasty. See how thorny that crown? She can be very nasty if she's crossed. And she can be a little bit selfish and you know, keep some wealth to herself. But she does protect her harvests. And you could see this all around her. This is her harvest, all these acorns, and she does protect it. But she will participate in charity events and things of that nature. That's the type of energy here. Moving along, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Now, this can be, and you look at him, he looks like a knight. A knight would look in his armor. This can represent, I've seen this represent two different types of energies. In some decks, it is said he's a healer, and in other decks, it is said that he is like a militant or a police officer, like a cop. So if this would come up in conjunction with the Four of Rods, which we'll go over later, it would mean the Four of Rods meaning like someone's driving, and then this car comes up. I'd caution them, hey, look, you know, watch out. There's a cop waiting to give you a ticket, and just follow all the rules. Follow the stop sign. Don't run the red lights. If this comes up with something like the Three of Swords and the Four of Swords and the Five of Swords surrounding it, this would indicate that I would encourage the person to go to the doctor and get their blood pressure checked, things of that nature. So this could have a healing energy, or it could have a militant type of energy. This is a diligent, well-trained, dependable individual, and he's not so nice. There's no cutting any slack with it. Goes by the rules, will not cut you any slack. I mean, this is just the way it is. And you could see he's very stiff and unyielding. Okay, the last card that we will cover in the court cards of the Minor Arcana, this is the Page of Pentacles. Now, this is an apprentice, scholarly. He's a learner. He's had a hard way up. He's on his way up, studies. And look at the water here. The water here in this card is red. See, remember how Morgan-Greer designed this deck to elicit an emotional response? This is an impatient youth. The red is impatient. Warning, also, if this comes up, possibly around like the Five of Pentacles or the Three of Pentacles. It may mean something may be stolen. So if the person's going somewhere, watch your wallet, watch your purse. It's an impatient, kind of an angry person, frustrated. You see the feather isn't well formed. It's just a short little feather. So this guy has a short fuse, but it's an immature type of energy as well. So these could be people, these could be energies. And this completes our lesson about the court cards of the Minor Arcana. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Things Unspoken 111.